Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front, center, audio headphone jacks, audio rear, volume control, cruise control, front and rear power outlets, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.